Om Shanti. Today's Murli, 26 July 2021. Essence: sweet children, never become tired of the pilgrimage of remembrance. It is the storms of body consciousness that make you tired. Become soul conscious and your tiredness will be removed. Question: which sanskar spoils your elevated fortune for 21 births? Answer: if anyone has the sanskar of sulking and sulks with the father or the study, that one's fortune becomes spoiled for 21 births. This is why Baba says, sweet children, never have any wrong type of intoxication due to body consciousness, such as how you explained to so many or how you helped so many people. Look how great an authority Baba is, and yet he is so egoless. Therefore, see the Father. Song: O traveler of the night, do not become weary. Your days of happiness are about to come. Murli's important points. You sweetest, long lost and now found beloved children heard the song. The children who are serviceable and who are immersed in yoga very quickly understand the meaning of it. The night of us, traveler of the night, that is, of us Brahmins, is now coming to an end. The path of devotion is called the night. Half the cycle, which means the night is coming to an end. There is also a limited day and night. There is the day of Brahmins, which is half the cycle, and the night of Brahmins, which is the other half. At this time, when the Father comes, there is darkness. It is the time of the first light of dawn. Morning is about to come. You children know, and the Father now says, sweetest children, don't become tired on the pilgrimage of remembrance. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says, Namaste to the spiritual children. Essence for Dharana. First point: in order to be threaded in the rosary of victory, make full effort to become detached from your body. Continue to renounce body consciousness. Remove this word from your intellect. Second point: don't have too much greed for wealth. Don't think about anything other than remembrance of the Father. Never sulk with the Father or the study. Blessing: may you be a conqueror of obstacles and become worthy of receiving thanks from everyone with the power of transformation. If someone insults you, transform the insult into upliftment in a second. If someone comes in front of you to test you with his sanskars or nature, then with the awareness of one, adopt your elevated sanskars and nature of a merciful heart. When someone comes in front of you with bodily vision, transform their vision into soul conscious vision. When you have learnt the art of transformation in this way, you will become a conqueror of obstacles. All souls who are in connection with you will then thank you. Slogan: become an embodiment of a experience and the sparkle of the fortune of happiness will be visible on your face. अच्छा, ओम शांति।